Hey everyone, today we're making the most viral crispy birria tacos. Let's start by cleaning these smoky dried chilies to get that deep flavor. Blend everything into a rich, vibrant red paste. Look at this beautiful marbled beef. It's gonna be so tender. Now pour in that rich, deep red chili sauce. Add some onion and cilantro. Slow cook until it's perfectly tender. Check this out. The meat is falling apart and looks incredibly juicy. Let's shred it all up for our tacos. This consommé is absolute liquid gold. Now let's get our fresh corn tortillas ready for the best part.
Dip the tortilla in that flavorful red oil and hit the hot griddle. Listen to that amazing sizzle.
Now a mountain of mozzarella and Monterey Jack cheese. As it melts, add that incredibly tender shredded beef. A little savory broth for extra juice. Now carefully fold it over and listen to that incredible crunch. Line them up and let them sizzle. Flip it over and look at that beautiful dark red crispy crust. Quick garnish of fresh cilantro and onions. This taco is so crispy and that cheese pull is insane.
So good. So flavorful. Oh
Give
yeah.
it a deep swirl to get all that flavor. And don't forget to sip the broth. It's pure liquid gold. Perfect. Don't forget to sip that golden broth. It's pure liquid gold. Honestly, this is the most satisfying meal I've ever made. And join the journey. We're gonna have so much fun. Remember to subscribe.